think that's cool to do things in that style. So I've done a couple trips, and I expect I'll continue going there in the future.
I got a few friends that are Fisher Ridge cavers, and it's just, I mean, I've not been myself, but it seems so freaking cool.
And how important those fine details are to you. There's the law of diminishing returns. The more you spend, the less the improvement. And once you get above a certain level, it just becomes about the flavor that you like, or that your engineer likes, or even which one you think is the prettiest hanging in your room, because they're all very, very good.
Yeah. And not to mention the fact that, guys like Emmett and myself, and, we listen to microphones all day long, or certainly have, and we listen to, in a very critical listening environment, whereas most of the things that end up on air are being listened to by people who don't care what the difference is, in how much you spent on a microphone. And